Main second question from exercise 4.1. From that first question is, here there are 4 questions there, 4 practical sums are there. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. That is, this same type of questions you already done in chapter 3, linear equation 2 variables. There we assume that let x be the length and y be the breadth. Here the chapter is what? Quadratic equations. Quadratic equation having only one variable. Is it? So we cannot assume x and y. Here only assumption is what? X, any variable. Maybe x or y like that. Here the question is what? Area is equal to, area of the rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. So what is length? Length is breadth, twice breadth plus 1. 1 more than, length is equal to 1 more than twice its breadth. So breadth is what? X. So that is our first assumption. Let x be the breadth of rectangular plot. Let x be the breadth of rectangular plot. That is what? Length is equal to, that is twice breadth plus 1. Twice breadth plus 1. That is breadth is what? That is x. Twice breadth plus 1. That is 2x plus 1. So next is what? L into B is equal to area. Is it? Length is what? 2x plus 1. Breadth is what? X is equal to area is what? 528. When you open this one, that is 2x square plus x plus is equal to 528. That is that 528 is taken to the left side, it will become 0. When you factorize this and you will get the answer. Question is only in the form of quadratic equation. You can make only quadratic equations here. No need to, question is to frame the quadratic equation. We framed the quadratic equation there. Second question is, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Which are the two integers here? Two consecutive integers. Consecutive means next number. That is 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers. 1 and 2 are the consecutive numbers. Then 7 and 8 are consecutive numbers. So here, which are the consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are not given there. Integers. What is the difference between the two integers? 1. Is it? So our assumption is what? Let first number I am taking it as x. So what is the next number? Plus 1. That is x plus 1 be the two positive integers. So product of two numbers is what? Two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product of these two numbers, x into x plus 1, product is equal to 306. That is x square plus x is equal to 306. Minus 306 is equal to 0. That is the second equation. Second question was very easy question. Third question you listen. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now will be 360. What would like to find the Rohan's present age? What is the question? In this case, you have to listen to the question. Rohan's present age. What is the present age of Rohan? We don't know. So that is our assumption. Let x be the present age of Rohan. That is third question. Let x be the present age of x years, be the present age of Rohan. So, what is the present age of his mother? Rohan's, how much more than Rohan's age? That is 26 years older than Rohan's age is his mother's present age. So, present age of Rohan's mother. What is the present age of Rohan's mother? That is, what is the age of Rohan now plus 26. So, x plus 26 is the present age of Rohan's mother. This much years she is having now. Our question is what? After 3 years, that is 3 years from now will be 360. That is product of their age after 3 years. Rohan's present age is what? X years. After 3 years, how much years he is having? Your present age is 15. After 3 years, you will have 15 plus 3, 18. Like that. The present age of Rohan is X. So after 3 years, his age is what? X plus 3. And mother's age is what? X plus 26 plus 3. Is it? X plus 26 plus 3. So how much is X plus 29? So Rohan's age is what? After 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age is X plus 23 and mother's age is X plus 29. The product of these two, that is X plus 3 into X plus 29. X plus 3 into X plus 29 is equal to 360. Is it 360? So when you open the bracket, you will get the quadratic equation. The last question.